Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. US President Joe Biden launched a coast-to-coast tour this week to tout the new climate and tax bill and boost Democrats running in November's elections. But when he arrived, some of those candidates maybe know her is in psych, fearing Biden is too much of a liability. Democrats hope the trip will boost the president's poll numbers and draw attention to his achievements. But some candidates for Congress worry that campaigning with Biden will hurt them in the North. Egg election. According to more than a dozen interviews with senior Democrat and local campaign officials in battleground states including Pennsylvania and Arizona. Biden was latter's approval rating is 14%, is polling lower than most, if not all, Democratic candidates in competitive races, often by double digits, Democratic pollsters said. The latter's effort to reset his presidency will test the limits of Biden's influence in a party that has shown flashes of disloyalty and recent weeks. Some Democratic numbers of changers have questioned whether Biden, at 79, already the oldest U.S. president, should run for re-election in 2024. As they consider campaigning with him, Democratic candidates will closely watch whether Biden can move public opinion on his tour. On the plus side, Biden can share good news about recent regulative victories on climate change, gun control, and boosting domestic microprocessor production, along with a Kansas victory and aborting rate. Sure, it was a great month, but the jury is still out whether it actually made a difference or whether it's just too late, said on senior Democrat. Meanwhile, opposition Republicans have unified around attacking Biden despite the party internal division over former President Donald Trump and the fatal Jan 6, 20 and 21 attack on the U.S. Capitol. Right-wing media, elected official and Trump have hammered a message that the White House has struggled to combat Biden and his policies are responsible for record inflation and his own doddering and confiscation. Will Biden defends not that inflation is higher in some other countries and say he is undiminished. Some candidates worry they may face awkward question of even about whether they support the president's re-election. Their answer could serve as fodder for Republic rivals, sources say. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.